Sup YouTube, this is Anya Roy from Educational Dost, and we will continue with the chapter of Delhi Sultans today. And we were at the Chronicle of Minhaji Siraj, which he wrote about Razia Sultan. So he basically wrote that Razia was a female ruler. That none matters that she is more qualified than her brothers. It matters that she is breaking the rule of God of women being subordinate of men. So he was basically saying that she should not be the ruler, as that God created the rule that women should not be upper than men. They should be always subordinate to them. He basically wrote this and also said that Razia is breaking the rule. And then Razia has also written on her inscriptions that she is inspired by two rulers such as Rudrama Devi, and also she told that Rudrama Devi in her inscriptions also wrote her name as an Sultan, not Sultan. Also wrote her name as a man beside to birthright and gender distinctions. She was basically saying that. Then she was also inspired by a new queen, which was not properly a king, but affectionately she used to rule the kingdoms. Her name was Dida. Her name was inspired by the Hindu word Didi, because she was an affectionate ruler and very kind ruler of the place. She was also a very good ruler. She was inspired by that. And Razia Sultan was removed from the throne in 1240. We all know that. Then we'll move to another topic of garrison towns to empire. So first of all, what is garrison towns? Garrison towns are fortified areas in which soldiers live. You can say that, may I draw for you? I was just saying that garrison towns mean a fortified area in which soldiers and the kings live. Yeah, so we'll continue with this. This is not much clear. So you can see these fortified areas. For example, it's not like that. Fortified areas. These areas are garrison towns. These are walls built around the sides of the kingdoms, and the area in between these areas which are not fortified. This is whole the kingdom, and this is non-fortified area. What is this called? This is called hinterland. In which they import and export the goods, and normal kingdom goes on. So kings do not have proper control in these areas, hinterland area, and they have proper and secured control under these garrison towns. And one thing was there. This is the kingdom of these Delhi Sultans, and this is the Mongoli area. These Mongoli areas were trying to capture this area. So they were much stronger than Delhi Sultans in that time, and for saving the whole Delhi Sultanate, the sultans have to travel from the whole from hinterland to garrison towns and that and those. But the people of the hinterland do not like the sultans. They fought with the sultans and do not let them in the hinterlands. So that was the thing. They do not let them in the hinterlands, and the king have to fight with them for going ahead in the hinterlands. And also that there were the kings have to just hide from them and go to whole kingdom and see them. Then the sultans thought that this is not the way. This is my sultanate. I have to do anything for it. So they decided to just this is the whole kingdom. They decided to just cover these whole kingdom with the garrison towns with an interior frontier and an exterior frontier. Sorry for the inconvenience as I'm telling. So I can say that. So we'll continue with this. So you can see this is the kingdom, and there are two lines here. So these lines are representing, this is the interior frontier and this is the exterior frontier. The whole kingdom was saved, but what do you think that the people in the hinterland would allow this? No, the kings have to fight for this. They have to fight that we'll cover this area with garrison towns. So they fought. They invaded the whole area, and then they moved ahead. And what happened next? So this whole garrison town is a very big area. What do you think to just cover a whole area of together of Kashmir and Uttar Pradesh, for example? It will take a very long time. You agree? It will take a very long time. So in that time there was the more time is needed, as there were less men. In this technological time there are many equipments that make the work easy, but at that time they were not. So this work was completed in 150 years. 150 years. The total work took from Ghiyasuddin Balban started this making of this garrison town, and the garrison town ended in the year of Alauddin Khilji. Very long time, from early Turkish rulers of the last ruler to the Khalji rulers to Alauddin Khilji. So then the garrison towns were finished. So we'll talk about the next topic in the next video. So we'll talk about the topic of masjids, mosques and masjids. So how do you experience my voice without my book? And I was saying just like that. If you like this video, if you are watching till end, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for latest updates. And for dance content, you can subscribe my channel Indian Dancer. So for more videos, like, share and subscribe. Bye. I'm Anna Roy, your educational host. Meet you in the next one.